In this video I want to show you a tip that is awesome for getting some extra oomph in your image. Now let's say we have an image like this and we already like it, right? But we want some more oomph in the shot. Let's start by creating a new layer. And this is just an empty layer, so we're not going to do anything in the layer yet. We're going to go back to our background layer and we're going to press here on channels. Now all our colors consist of three colors: red, green and blue. Now those are our primary colors. We also have cyan, magenta and yellow. Those are our secondary colors and they connect within the white point. In photography that's often 6500 degrees Kelvin. That also means that when we look at an image there are only three colors in that image: red, green and blue. And all those three colors combined create an image that we can see as full color. And it means that we can now manipulate those colors. Now let's say that we want to copy only the red information in that channel. So I'm going to select the red channel. I'm going to do Command A, select all, and Command copy. Now I'm going to go back to my top layer and I'm going to copy my red layer on top. Now the first thing you will notice is, hey, this is just a black and white version. No, it's not. It's the red channel. You can do some cool stuff with this. You can of course build it up from 0 to hero by combining it with your original image. But that's not really what we want to do, because this creates a more washed out look. It's not bad, but it's not what I want. What I really want is impact. And that's when we're going to use our blending modes. And you can experiment with different blending modes. They will all give you something different. Some are really funky. But most of all, I use the soft light. And look at the difference this makes. You can literally create a lot more oomph in your shot. Now in most cases I'm not using it on 100%, and I always use the term from 0 to hero. So start at 0 and then build it up the way you like. There we go, look at that, that's awesome. So you can do this with the red channel, the blue channel and of course the green channel. You can even combine them together, and if you're really smart, create an action like copy the red channel. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip about adding more oomph to your shot in Photoshop with just copying the red channel or the green and blue one. See you again next time. Bye guys.